just happened? Hi, my name is Julia.
Hej, jag heter Nadine.
Hajime mashite Julia. Yoroshiku dozo yoroshiku.
Hola, mi amo Nadine.
Je m'appelle Julia. Well,
That was random. No.
yeah, that was kind of hi. My name is in what was it? English, Swedish, Japanese, Spanish, and French, which means 6 languages. 6. I can't really do. So we're the Derp Girls, and
Derpa.
herpa derp derp, because we're kind of like derpy, I guess. really random. So we kind of got these helium balloons, and we gave them names. Mine's Carl. You can't really see, but it's just Carl here. Carl. You know, Carl.
Like Carl.
Yeah, Carl.
Yeah, and mine's unicorn powered balloon.
Because it's unicorn powered.
Yeah.
So, since you guys all know that this song, Gangnam Style, is pretty much all worldwide right now, so we're gonna try to sing it with helium. And we know 6 languages. Well, not fluently, but we know how to say hi, my name is in 6 languages. But none of those languages are Korean, so we can't really promise you guys that it's gonna sound real good because we don't know what he's singing. But we're gonna try. So we're just gonna pretty much demonstrate. We're gonna say our names with helium. So, or at least I'm gonna say hi.
We are?
Yep. Now we are. Wait.
Hi.
Oh my god, that sounds so random.
No, it doesn't.
Oh my god. So we're gonna put on the song and we're gonna see how long this works. So.
Oh my god.
오빤 강남 스타일
Gangnam Style.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 느껴보는 여자 밤이
Okay, we're gonna skip to the
여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호며 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 새벽부터 끝까지 오빤 강남 스타일
Gangnam Style. 오빠 Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 오빠 Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady.
오빤 강남 스타일
Hey, sexy lady.
성숙해 보이지만 볼 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묻었던
Now you already know.
여자
Okay, so-
노출보다 야한 여자 그런
That didn't.
적인
Wait.
여자
That didn't really go as planned, but it was pretty fun. So, this is pretty much what's left of Carl. So you can
And
see that it says
unicorn
Carl.
powered balloon.
Carl, look at that Carl. We're just
Where is it?
pretty much random, so I don't even know if you can hear us sing, but I just hope you can.
You should have taken the
We should test it out. Okay, so
What are you doing?
Hajime mashite Julia desu. Dozo yoroshiku. It sounds
Okay.
funny in helium.
You sound like a real Japanese person.
Yeah, I sound like real. No, but so
So,
well, we're from Sweden, but you guys would already know that.
no, I don't.
Oh my god.
So we kind of started laughing in the middle of everything because we actually tested it. So we're gonna do the last bit and we're gonna say bye with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna take all this. You got more than me, but all this. You ready? Are you ready?
No.
Bye guys.
Bye.
This
This is so funny. Bye.
Bye.